Here's how I get from this to this on IELTS speaking test. Yes, ChatGPT helped me with that. Safe to use these prompts. I want you to act as my IELTS speaking coach. Ask me 5-part 1 questions on the topic, instant topic, for example, hometown. Then give me feedback on my answers focusing on fluency, grammar, and vocabulary. Please give me 5 high-scoring topic-specific idioms and advanced vocabulary for the topic, for example, technology, and explain how to use them in IELTS speaking answers. Give me a list of common IELTS speaking topics, and for each one, give me 3 complex sentence structures and 3 linking phrases I can use. Or you can use the Lola Speak app with its personal study plan. Lola Speak, your English tutor in your pocket. I'm sorry I come late. Sorry I'm late. I apologize for being late. My apologies for running late. Sorry for keeping you waiting. What would you call this? The light is flickering. What would you call this? The table is wobbly. What would you call this? The tub is dripping. What would you call this? The door is creaking. Subscribe for more. Where is she? Do you happen to know where she is? It's totally okay to ask a direct question, but if you want to sound polite or less direct, use the phrase happen to know.
Do you happen to know the login information?
Do you happen to know someone's named Steve Wilson?
I just so happen to know the mayor.
Use it in casual conversations, emails, or when asking strangers for help. And it's perfect for questions where the answer is uncertain. For example, do you happen to know the Wi-Fi password here? Do you happen to know when the next train leaves? Do you happen to know the name of this song? If you want to learn more English phrases like this, download the Lola Speak app. Hey, I know something about you. You want to speak English, but you don't have anyone to practice with, right? Here are 3 things to help you open your mouth and start speaking English even if you're alone. Don't miss number 3. Talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Narrate your thoughts. I should call my mom later. Or maybe I'll cook pasta. It builds your fluency by activating your speaking muscles. Use voice notes or record yourself. Record yourself talking about your day or a random topic. Listen and spot areas to improve your grammar, clarity, hesitation. This helps you become aware of patterns and you can gain confidence hearing yourself speak. Use shadowing technique. You listen to a short video or audio of your favorite YouTuber, podcaster, or an actor, repeat the sentences immediately, and copy the tone, the rhythm, the speed. I swear this improves your pronunciation, your intonation, and your confidence. Or use Lola Speak app. With this app, you'll dive into immersive real-life conversations and experience total language immersion. It's like a real-life game. Follow the storyline, respond to the characters, and master the language using shadowing technique and helpful prompts. Hey, you can do it, just don't give up. Stop saying beautiful in English. That's too basic. Use these alternatives instead. Attractive, gorgeous, dazzling, splendid, magnificent.